Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9336XX. Only 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tungsten metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 8 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. 60-40 split. Third row seat folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Storage space in the sliding armrest, with even more storage below. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.